you know, the hurricane came through and we had, I think, 85-mile-an-hour winds, and it blew trees down on just different sections of line. And some of the wires are broke, some of the poles are broke, but everything's in the road, and we're just having to dig out the ditch and make do. I've lived here my whole life, and I've never seen anything near this. And we had all this wire tore down, and it was in a big ball on the ground. We had to unravel it and hang it back on the pole, and then set the transformer and pulled the service wire up back to the house. And we just hooked all of it up. As soon as we heat this line up, that house will have power now, and all the houses down past.
We drove through this one neighborhood after restoring power, and the guys, everybody in the neighborhood was just outside, and we drove through, and they were just outside throwing their hands up. People were videoing us and stuff.
Wow.
It's kind of sending chills through your body. The good thing about it is, you know, people drive by, thank you for everything you do. You get all kind of messages throughout the day. Not that you can check your phone much, but when you see it, you know, it just makes you feel good, and it makes you proud of what you do.